said that you have your own struggles, whenever it comes to the industry.
I said it so long back. I said it 5 years ago. I really struggle with answering this question now. Honestly, I'm done with that. There's no struggle. I'm doing fine only.
There was a point in life where you said like there is struggle and it became a meme material completely. But still, like you said that you have your own struggles, whenever it comes to the industry, being a part of the, industry world. What is that one thing which you struggle the most while trying to make a mark for yourself in the world of glamour?
Um, honestly, firstly, we've made fun of that line, honestly, ourselves. We've kind of owned up to it. And I said it so long back. I said it 5 years ago. I really struggle with answering this question now. Honestly, I'm done with that. But I think I'm just trying to like keep my head down, work, and I hope people like my work. And there's no struggle. I'm doing fine only.
Recently, you said somewhere that there are shades of Clueless, which is one of our favorite films ever, Schitt's Creek, and even some Nancy Drew in Bay. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about that?
I think what I meant by that is it's an amalgamation of all these like chick flick kind of movies that I love growing up. There was obviously, Pooh is iconic. I literally dressed up as Pooh 2 years ago. Like even now at 23, I'm dressing up like Pooh. I have like all her quotes on my mirror and everything. So she's really left a print on me. And it's like a mix of Schitt's Creek, Clueless, Aisha, Nancy, do all these fun shows that I don't think, we're really getting to watch right now. It's the kind of show that I'd love to watch. It's very light, it's young adult, it's happy, it's fun. And even though Bay has a bit of all of these characters, she's like fully her own person. I don't even know how to describe her. Like people are describe Bay and I'm just like, I just do this. Like, I don't have words. She just is all actions and she's all heart and she's a lot of fun. So I hope people love her as much as I did.
My first question goes to you, Ananya. When was the last time you had the rickshaw ride? And the first time ever, if I talk about?
My dad and me, we share a car sometimes. So when he takes the car away, then I go to my Kathak class and stuff in a rickshaw. I do sit. I know that there are no seatbelts in a rickshaw. So recently only I sat in a rickshaw, I think like a month or something ago. And the first time I must have sat was like in school, like when I was like 10 or 12 or something. About our take on privilege really well. But also I think as a character, I never made fun of Bay. Even though she was saying really silly things. Like there's one scene where she's talking to a fridge and she's trying to get the fridge to answer back to her. And I remember everyone in the table read was like, what is she doing? But I went with it. I completely, believed what she was doing. And I think that's the most important, not to judge her as a character and do everything with honesty. And as Colin said, she's a very positive girl, even though many people would have judged her and do judge her and are probably saying that she's a blonde or she doesn't know this, she doesn't know that. I think the best quality of hers is that she doesn't judge people back and she keeps saying that kindness is cool. And she never changes as a person. Even once she transforms and all these things happen to her in life, she stays that good-hearted, nice person. So I would say don't judge a book by a cover in the show as well as in real life. And I think that's a lesson we can all take from Bay.